Turn on both the flight controller and remote controller switches. Clear the remote controller alarm. Push the throttle to take off the butterfly. At this moment, the butterfly is in self-stabilizing flight mode.
Normal.
Move channel 7 to the middle position to enter flip standby mode. You can still maneuver the butterfly to turn left or right at this point.
Turn right. But
Push the right joystick to any of the 4 corners, and the auto flip mode will activate. Push the joystick to the bottom left corner. Push the joystick to the top right corner. Push the joystick to the bottom right corner. The 4 positions of the joystick correspond to 4 different flip stunts. Keep the butterfly airborne all the while. Pull channel 7 to the lowest position to enter hover standby mode. At this point, you can still make the butterfly turn normally. Pull the joystick all the way down to activate hover mode. At this time, the flapping frequency of the butterfly's wings will increase. You won't be able to steer the butterfly to turn at this point. Push the joystick all the way up to exit the hover stunt. Only then can you control the butterfly to turn. Push channel 7 all the way up to enter self-stabilizing flight mode. Whether in flip mode or hover mode, you can freely control the butterfly to turn, as long as no stunts are triggered. Special reminder, stunt mode will speed up servo wear, so please use it cautiously.